In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Stripe to add a bank account for transferring funds. Whether you're setting this up for the first time or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through each step. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to start by going to the Stripe webpage. To do that, simply open up your web browser and type in Stripe in the search bar or directly navigate to Stripe's official website. Once the page loads, make sure you're logged in with your credentials to access your account dashboard. If you haven't logged in yet, you can do so by entering your email address and password on the login page. Once you're in the dashboard, look towards the sidebar on the left. This is your central hub for navigating through various settings and features. Here, you should see an option labeled Settings. Give that a click, and a menu will expand, giving you further options to choose from. Now, from within Settings, find and click on Business. This section is pivotal as it houses all the administrative controls related to your Stripe account, including where you'll be enabling bank transfers. After selecting Business, you'll be presented with several options. Among these, you'll see Bank Accounts and Currencies. Click on this to proceed. This is the section where you can securely link your bank accounts to your Stripe account. Linking a bank account allows for seamless transfers and is crucial for handling your finances effectively. Once inside, you'll have the opportunity to add a bank account. Follow the prompts, entering the necessary banking information such as your account number and the bank routing number. Make sure to double-check these details before proceeding, as accuracy is essential in this step to avoid any delays or issues with fund transfers later on. After entering and confirming your bank details, go ahead and save the information. This usually involves clicking a Save or Add Bank Account button, which secures your entries and links your bank to Stripe. Upon successful completion, you should see a confirmation indicating that your bank account has been added. This means you're now ready to start transferring funds to your linked bank account whenever transactions occur. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Stripe settings to add your bank account, streamlining your financial operations. All that's left now is for you to explore other features available to optimize your Stripe experience even further. Remember, keeping your financial information up to date and secure is essential for a smooth business operation. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or check out other resources on our channel. Until next time.